In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on your Chevy Malibu. This is going to be located on the bottom side of the car, right above your passenger side axle. Let's get started. Before we get started, you should know that you are going to need to reprogram this sensor once you are done with the job. You should have an engine shield in this area. There should just be plastic clips. Go around and remove all of the clips and pull down the shield. Reach up to the sensor and we're going to find the connector. On this connector there should be a little red locking tab inside of here. You'll pull that red lock tab back and then that will allow you to push on that connector and remove it. Using a 10mm socket on a 3-inch extension, we're going to remove the bolt for the crankshaft position sensor. Remove the bolt and remove the sensor. And use a pry tool and gently push on that sensor. It is fully made of plastic, so don't push too hard because you don't want to snap it off inside. And just slowly work it out of place. Remove your sensor. Install the new crankshaft position sensor into place. Snug the bolt down, torquing it to 10 Newton meters or 7.4 foot-pounds. Install the connector back into the sensor. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. If you have that red tab, slide that tab down and lock it into place. Reinstall the shield with all of the clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.